Okay, so the husband just got done cooking the melty Monterey Jack burgers. We have made this before. He likes the onion. The onion's okay to me. I'm just not an onion person, so you can tell the plate between his and mine. But he's just getting ready to serve it up, and he likes to eat it super fast and hot. So we're going to eat it right now. Okay, so as you guys see, I ate like 3 bites because I like to let my food cool down. And I'd like to just sit and relax and enjoy my food. Oh look, my husband ate all of his food in a matter of seconds because he is a pig. But no, he just really likes his food hot. And he likes to just devour it. He loves food. That's his favorite thing to spend money on. I just enjoy it and sit back and relax. But what we did make was the melty Monterey Jack burgers. We have made this before. Graham, what would you rate this?
A solid A.
Solid A. He likes it. I like the burger. This time it tastes a little, the meat tastes a little bit dry to me than last time from what I remember, but I still like it. I mean, it's better than some restaurants that I've gone to, so we'll definitely try this again if we have a choice, but I just want to give you guys the first review on our first meal that we made with this box, and on to the next. Okay, so husband just finished making our other meal. Creamy dill chicken with roasted potatoes and asparagus. This is something new to us. I love the potatoes. I'm excited to try chicken because we haven't had chicken for a while. And then there's asparagus, which I'm not a big fan of. But we're going to try this in just a second. Okay, so I just got done eating about half of my meal. I like the potatoes. I've always liked potatoes. I've never been an asparagus fan at all, but the way they have it cooked, I actually ate it. I ate 2 whole pieces. You guys should be very proud of me. Graham's even proud of me. And then the chicken's good. They do have you put dill on it. It's a little too much dill.
I thought it needed more dill.
I just think it was like too much. It didn't remind me of pickle when I think of dill. But otherwise, I'd make this again. Would you, Graham?
I thought it was just okay. Probably not again.
Not again?
I don't think I'd order it again.
But you'd still make the potatoes the same way.
Yeah, potatoes are good.
Yeah. So, just want to give you guys a heads up on our second meal, creamy dill chicken with roasted potatoes and asparagus. On to the next. Okay, the next meal that Graham and I cooked together is the Tuscan sausage pepper spaghetti with tomatoes and Parmesan. Now, we have made this before, and I want to give you guys a heads up with the moldy Parmesan. I did email them, and they gave me a credit for some of the meal already. So this is fresh Parmesan that we are using, which is fine with us. But just wanted to share with you guys on that, and now we're going to try and eat this again. So I've eaten a couple bites so far. I am not a fast eater like my husband is. He's all proud because he raced me. But we did make the Tuscan sausage pepper spaghetti. Now, I did make this before. I don't remember. And I don't remember if it tasted as good as last time. I just don't remember. Do you?
I don't really remember.
Yeah.
But I think it's a little bit better this time because I added sour cream to the sauce to make it rich.
Yeah, the thing I do recommend is the sausage probably being a little bit smaller, but you can taste the big peppers. I'm not a pepper fan, but I'll eat it mixed in with stuff. But would I get this again? It's hard to say. I mean, we totally forgot that we did get this again because I save all the cards. But Graham, would you eat it again?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I give it a B.
I give it probably a B+. If the sauce was richer and the sausage was seasoned a little bit more heavier, I would give it an A.
So that is it. That is our third meal from this HelloFresh box. Just wanted to share with you guys on that. If you guys are interested in trying, I do have a referral link below where you guys get $40 off your first box, which comes out to be $20 for 3 meals. That comes out to be like $3 a person per meal. So just want to give you a heads up on that, and thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.